Pruning trees is both an art and a science, balancing tree health, fruit yield, and landscape aesthetics. This review examines 5 time-to-prune tree products spanning authoritative pruning manuals, garden reference guides, and beginner-friendly how-to books. Product number 1. How to prune fruit trees. This practical guide offers a concise overview of fruit tree pruning, focusing on common horticultural practices and decision-making. It emphasizes actionable steps over theory, with a straightforward structure that appeals to beginners and casual gardeners seeking quick, reliable guidance. The author's perspective centers on orchard and garden-scale pruning, with emphasis on preserving vigor and shaping trees to facilitate harvest accessibility. In use, the book performs best when readers need a solid, surface-level plan, seasonal timing, basic cuts, and when to avoid aggressive pruning. It serves as a reliable reference for home gardeners who want to implement proven pruning routines without wading through dense floriculture text. However, it may lack the depth, diagrams, and troubleshooting detail preferred by more advanced users, or those managing vigorous or atypical cultivars. The practical layout supports quick reference during a pruning session, which is valuable in the field. Product number 2. Pruning. This DK authoring title delivers a comprehensive overview of pruning theory, training systems, and the when-why behind common cuts. It covers different training frameworks, central leader, open center, bush form, and situates pruning within plant physiology and long-term tree structure. Rich with illustrations, it blends visual explanations with practical steps, making it a strong reference for readers who want to understand the rationale behind pruning decisions. Performance-wise, the book excels in explaining long-term structure and how pruning interacts with tree health, vigor, and fruit quality. It is particularly useful for readers planning to overhaul an established tree, or for hobbyists who want to implement a standardized training system. The depth and visual guidance come at the cost of being denser and longer than purely quick reference guides, so it may be less approachable for absolute beginners who need fast, simple instructions. Product number 3. Cass Turnbull's Guide to Pruning. Cass Turnbull's Guide is widely regarded for practical pruning wisdom tailored to home gardens. The 3rd edition consolidates core pruning principles with a garden-centric focus, covering times, locations, and pruning strategies that aim to improve aesthetics and plant health. The author's experience translates into approachable advice and accessible language, making it a strong fit for gardeners seeking confidence in pruning decisions for a variety of ornamentals and fruiting plants alike. In practice, this edition shines in translating pruning concepts into real-world, garden-scale applications. It balances theory with hands-on instructions, offering tips that help avoid common mistakes, such as over-pruning or improper cuts, and emphasizes ongoing maintenance. For those seeking a broad, trustworthy reference with practical tone, this guide provides reliable guidance, but may not go as deeply into technical physiology as more specialized texts. Product number 4. Grow a Little Fruit Tree. Simple pruning techniques for small space. Anne Ralph's book targets small space environments and beginner-friendly pruning methods designed to maximize harvest in limited footprints. It emphasizes simple, repeatable techniques suitable for container trees or compact yard layouts. The approach centers on low-maintenance pruning plans, encouraging readers to establish a manageable routine that yields reliable fruit without requiring extensive bonsai-like shaping. From a performance perspective, the book excels at demystifying pruning for urban gardeners or those with restricted space. It provides approachable steps, practical layouts, and troubleshooting tips for common issues in small trees. However, it may underrepresent pruning complexity for larger fruit trees or diverse topologies, limiting its usefulness for readers facing more ambitious orchard projects or rare cultivars. Product number 5. How to Prune an Apple Tree. a guide for real people with imperfect trees. This budget-focused guide zeroes in on practical apple tree pruning, especially for imperfect or aging trees. It prioritizes realistic scenarios, providing down-to-earth advice that helps readers make meaningful improvements without needing perfect stock. In a tone, it is pragmatic, focusing on achievable results rather than idealized pruning perfection. In use, this book stands out for its relatable approach and cost efficiency. It's a strong starter resource for apple enthusiasts who need straightforward guidance and want to see tangible improvements with modest means. The main trade-off is that it may not comprehensively cover other fruit species or long-term training systems, making it a more specialized entry point rather than a universal pruning manual.